Well, hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you how to download the map uploader from the makers of Mapwel, and then use that to load a Garmin IMG file onto your GPS. So the first step is, if you don't have the map uploader installed on your computer, you would like to browse to the site where you can download this. So if you just type in Mapwel, you'll come up with the site, and you can go to the download center, and from there you would want to pick either this 32 or 62-bit version. Most of our machines tend to be 64-bit these days, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you can see here there's the actual Mapwel program, and then there's the MapUpload Utility. So I'm just going to download the unzipped installation file, and you can see it downloads rather rapidly. Once that finishes downloading, I will just go to the folder where it downloaded to and just run the executable. And you might get an error message here or there, but it pretty much is a standalone executable. So when I run that, it's going to start up the program. So the next thing that you want to have prepared is you want to have your GPS cable plugged into your computer, and you want to have your GPS attached to said cable, and you want to have your GPS on. You can see here that my GPS wasn't connected or on, therefore the MapUpload program couldn't find it. While I was just talking here, I went ahead and plugged in my cable, and I plugged in my GPS and turned it on. And if I click Detect GPS now, you can see that it found the GPS. So usually you'll have an IMG file maybe that you make yourself or that someone else sent you. And it's real simple to add those in. You just go up here into this table area and you click, and then that lets you browse to where the IMG file would be located. In my case, it's going to be on the D drive, and that went a little too far, so I need to find my computer, the D drive, go here to where I have the IMGs and kind of made, and I just made one for Camino. This one right here was made today. So as soon as I click open, it's going to load that in there, and now it's as simple as clicking the Upload to GPS button, and it's going to load pretty rapidly. I'm loading this onto a GPS Map 60 CSX. It also works on the newer model GPSs. So once it finishes downloading, I can't really show you my screen, but I'll verify that it works and tell you whether it works or not. It should have worked no problem. But you can just page to the map, and then as you zoom out and move down to the area near Camino, you should see a gray outline of the box, kind of that the IMG would cover. In this case, for me, it was covering the Camino district, and it's giving me a poor satellite reception message, but I'll ignore that. And I can see that the IMG file loaded okay, and my GPS is drawing, so I should be set. So that's all there is to it. If someone sends you a Garmin IMG file, you can use the MapUpload program to get that onto your GPS. So until next time, happy mapping.